In this video, I'm going to show you how to create those scrolling perspective section, parallax, and framer without any code. It was inspired by Olivier Larose, in the French pronunciation from YouTube, and he was inspired by the Flow Party. This is the scroll animation that you see here. So we have the section that fades away and distort as we scroll, and then same thing happens here again. And so really cool animation that is replicable in Framer. So let's get let's get right into it. I'm going to create a new project. Relax section. This project will be available in the first link of the description. You can remix it and just copy, change, whatever that might be. This is just really to explain how I achieved it. So first thing first, we're going to create the layout. Before that, we have to add the photos. So those are the photos that I'm gonna use. They are all AI generated, by the way. I really love dark aesthetics, and so this is kind of, I would say, not my dream house, but something similar to it. So why not create a great landing page for it? So I'm gonna start with the living room or salon. I'm gonna copy it, go to layer, and then past it. I'm just gonna change this to fill. I'm gonna unlock it. I'm gonna do viewport 100 VH, and then what I want to do is do the same with all of the others. So then after it's the, what was it? It was the bedroom. So that's fill, unlock it, viewport, same thing, and then remove the gap, and then the last one, this is the last one, fill, viewport. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is add the frame. So click on F on your keyboard or select frame from here. I'm gonna draw a shape. Then I'm gonna do here, I want to do relative, and that will be 100%. And then click on the 0 from here, 0 0 on the position absolute panel, and then from here 0 from the bottom, so it sticks to the bottom. And why I'm going to do that is because I want to give it a black shade, so that will be black, black, and the first one will be like that. Then I'm going to give it 500 pixels height. Then just change the overflow to visible on everywhere. So visible, 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 visible. Okay, perfect. Let's call this gradient black. You can do the same thing for the others. All right. Now, second step, or should I say fourth step, is to add a title that we are seeing here. I'm going to do it from scratch with you guys. So T, and then that will be Black Decor Reimagined. That was the title, I guess. Yes. And then I'll make it bigger. So that was Alexandria, and then the serif font was Baskerville. Baskerville, and then I'm gonna add italic to it. Perfect. So we can do something here, 160 and 160 from here. No, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, I understand why. So just like eyeball it. Doesn't need to be perfect, but that's something that makes sense here. So I come back here and I do the same thing. That's the, what was it? The bedroom. The black bedroom. And again, just eyeball it. That's it. Come here, same thing, Command V. And that was the black kitchen. Mm-hmm. Same thing, eyeball it. Okay, so now if we preview, nothing is gonna happen. We have to do some things, which is select all of those here. I'm gonna insert them into a stack. Then we change the height to fit. Name it image wrapper. I'm just gonna like wrapper all together. And then those here, I'm gonna give them the position is sticky and change the height to 100 VH. And then now let's preview. Still not working. Let me see what's up. Because of this here, overflow not visible. We try again. Now it works. Okay. Now we're getting into the nitty gritty because we want to add those animation here. Okay. So to do that, we're going to what was it? Just close the others because I'm getting kind of. I'm just gonna rename it Framer Parallax Tuto. Okay. There's a gap here. Just remove the gap. Perfect. Now I want to add a section, so that will be salon. That will be bedroom. And that will be kitchen. Perfect. So what we want to achieve is to make this basically disappear and shrink as we scroll. So we want to add a transform, which is not actually it's effect, and then it's scroll transform. So as we scroll, is going to change its position and its nature per se. I don't even have the right word for that, but you get what I mean. So that's gonna shrink to 0.8. I'm just gonna change the background color to black. Let me come back to that. Okay, so and make a rotation -4. So now if we preview, as we scroll, that's what's gonna happen. And we can make it a bit more dramatic. So I'm gonna add a transition and then stiffness, reduce the stiffness, the damping, gonna make it like this. Yeah, not really what I want. Try that. Not really, no. I don't like it. Let me see what I did here. So I have yeah, I have two animation, but wait a sec. So scroll effect 1 1 -7 0.4. Yeah, I made it a little bit smaller, so that will be 0.4 -8 offset 30. Try that again. Yeah, now we have something more a bit dramatic. Perfect. And you can, make it as you wish. Let's say put 0.2. So now it's going to be like more smaller as we scroll. Now for this one, I prefer to let it as it is because I want to animate the third one. And so to animate the third one, what we're going to do is click on it and then we're going to add effect. And so that will be scroll transform as well, but we're going to change section in view and that will be bedroom. And when bedroom reach the lowest point, it's going to start animating. So just put these two 1 and 1 from 2, and that will be, oh, actually, it's actually the opposite. So that's point in, rotation from the other side. So 4 5 here, and then we go to 1 1 0 0 0. Let me see. Not working. Wait a sec. Was it? Why is not working? This is not it at all. Oh, maybe it's because, yeah, let me see that. No, that wasn't it. Damn, son, I forgot my own tutorial. Oh, okay. I see. That was it. Yeah. All right. That's how we do it. So basically, the section in view is the same section, and we put it at the lowest point, so the bottom, and then this will make it work because we want to reach the full full animation at by the end of the scroll. So now we did the sticky not component, the sticky wrapper that contains all of our picture sections, and then now we want to create the last section, which is just CTA with a cool animation in this button here. Then I'm going to show you how to make it as well. So let's get back right into it. Frame. Just gonna draw something here. So it'll be fill 100 VH as well. I'm just gonna copy this past it, and then all right. Then for the button, so T for text, schedule a free consultation. No, free demo. Okay, then this one is gonna be a stack. I'm gonna add borders, white borders, and then 30, and that will be 50 from the right, 50 from the left. What is going on here? Why is it? Okay. So I'm gonna gonna do this, and then CTA wrapper, call this footer, and then this one I'm gonna give it like 35. Do 25, 25, 55, 55 here. Perfect. So now for the animation, we're going to create a component. So let me call this button. So right click, create component, and then I'm gonna zoom in for the first variant. So let's call this main. Click on F on your keyboard for frame. Then I'm gonna draw this rectangle. So I'm just gonna put it inside, and then click on the button component, change the direction to this, and then we're gonna change the type position to absolute for the frame, and then we're going to do relative position, and that will be 100%, and then this one is going to be relative as well, that will be 100%. So 0, 0. So now we are covering the entire frame, and let's call this background overlay. All right, now we want to make the animation. To make the animation, we have to put this as the initial state, which is underneath the button. Basically, we're going to do it from the top, 70, so that's 0, 80, okay? And then on the hover state, we're going to bring it back up. So that will be 0, that will be 0 as well. And this one is gonna add effect style, Z index, or Z index, put it to 1, change the color to black, 2, so Z index 2, sorry about that. And this one, just change the font to Alexandria to match the same font as we have. So now if we come back and we preview this, we have the perfect animation. I don't like how it's doing it on the other hover state, so let me just 1 sec here. Oh, got it. Let me see. Did I made a mistake? Just see how I did it here. Okay, got it. I did it with the fixed position, so that's a better way to do it. Sorry about that. So that will be 300. Wait a sec. So we're gonna do it like this. That's 161, so that's 110. Nope. How much is the fixed position? 69. So that's 69. And then I'm gonna lock it. Perfect. $69. Gonna lock it. And now let me see how that goes. Perfect, now it's working perfectly. And this is how you create those sections, the parallax sections for your next project. And I mean, this is doable for pretty much anything. You get creative with it. This is could be used for an interior design firm or whatever to showcase rooms, whatever. And I really like how it displays. So see you next time.